50-44. Ay Catrice Ilagan, thank you so much for watching. And here is Matulak with a layup. First black for the third goes to Team Gimbas. And here is Matulak, and the ball will stay. And also, they will go to Sumanakay. And here is Kenji. Kenji, three-pointer, short rebound on Jason. And Jason with his third rebound of the night with 4 points. And nearly. And here is number 2, three-pointer. Good again, by Sumanakay. Sumanakay will go to Kenji. Kenji saves the ball. Kenji will shoot the 3. And he got it. Oh, and a high five. Oh, what a lucky, a very, very lucky boys right there. From the sideline with a high five from Chug Moral. His three-pointer. Bingo. And a three-pointer coming from Dustin of Team Celebrity. And there is Sumalakay. Sumalakay looking for them. It goes again to Kenji. Kenji, no good. Rebound by IC. IC, too strong. And here is Jason. Jason Avalos looking for 6 points tonight. And Jason. 2-pointer from Jason Avalos. And here is Camino. Camino going to Chug. Chug will go to Sumalakay and triangle offense for Team Gimbal outside to Matulak. Three-pointer won't go. What a jump. Number 6. Pero what a steal. Three-pointer again by Chug. And 3 points again coming from Chug. Ato niya score 49-58 in favor of Tribo Gimbal. And here is Avalos looking for a teammate. Three-pointer. Bigoy Bihig. 3 points again coming from Team Celebrity. And a second three-pointer coming from Celebrity here in the third point. Here is Chug looking for a basket. What a pass! Oh, outside to Magmino. Oh, what a dribbling display by Matulak. And he gets the third basket coming from Rex Matulak. Here is Dustin. Dustin going to Jamer. Jamer! No good. Rebound goes to IC. IC to Sumalakay. Sumalakay going to Chug. Waiting for a teammate, going to Matulak, three-pointer, wasak. 3 points by Matulak, and Matulak tonight with 12 points, and Chug Moral with 5 assists, and 18 points on his own. Here is Jason. Jason going to number 6, going to Girochi. Girochi, and here is Camino. Camino going to Chug, and a Chug with a goal. Good for a Chug. And there is Avalos. Avalos going to Girochi. Girochi, oh no, good for Girochi. And there is Sumalakay with the alley-oop. Here is number 28 going to Jason. Jason going to Girochi. Wow, with a low post outside. Outside, Pagtakataway Maluhay, no good. Rebound goes to Jason. Jason, what a find! And a 2-point. Assist coming from Jason, and a 2-point. He will go to Moral. Moral with an easy basket. Okay, here is number 28. Dasi-dasi ka talaga, pero binawinan. Going to you. You to Barranco. Barranco go back to Dalumpines. What a layup. Easy layup, nice pectos. From the left side of the board coming from Dalumpines. And Dalumpines tonight with 8 points. And Shanghai, no good. Rebound secured by Team Celebrity. Is Barranco going back. What a pass with a 3-on-2 advantage para sa Team Celebrity. And bila na mga Bansi. 58-65 is a 7-point lead. Enjoyed by Team Gimbal. Going to Matulak, going to Chug. Good defense by number 23. Shot clock down to 10. Here is Garucho. Garucho no good. Out the pass. You. Oh, what a stiff foul. Oh. 2-2. Coming from Pineda of Team Celebrity. 2 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Here is Hikangao 3-pointer. No good rebound by Kielab. Yes, sir. 2 points coming from Kielab. You defended by Basco inside the U. Yes, you. 2 points by you. 1 minute and 45 remaining. 1:45 remaining ang agaw ni Barangco ang mula ng shot from the hoop right there. Coming from Barangco. With 1 minute and 34 seconds remaining. Here is Basco. Defended by number 17, Neda, fadeaway jumper, walk jump. Rebound secured by Imbal. 1 minute and 22 seconds remaining. Gana. Hikangao, no good. Rebound by Pineda to Barangco. Barangco with a layup and Barangco with a basket. 73-74. It's only a 1-point lead. Isa na lang ang bagsing ang Team Imbal over the Team Celebrity. And here's Shendeo, one-legged three-pointer again. Coming from Andre Shendeo. And Barangco, no good. Barangco masakya po. 48 seconds ang kabilis. Barangco going to Pineda with a three-pointer coming. 3 points coming from Mamerto Pineda. 37 seconds remaining. Here is Catanela to Catanela. Yes, sir. 3-point by Arian. 25 seconds. And the ball will go out of bounds. 25 seconds remaining. 25 seconds. By 5 segundos na din. By 5 segundos. Alright, and Shendeo, three-pointer, 24 seconds. Oh, good. Rebound by Dalong-Pines. 19 seconds. Dalong-Pines with a layup. No good. Rebound by Arian. 13 seconds remaining. Shot clock is on. Here is Basco. 10 seconds. Basco. No good. Rebound by Shendeo. Out of bounds. 5 seconds remaining. Ladies and gentlemen, 5 seconds na nabili na. 5 segundos. Alright, Barangco. Barangco para kay Dalong-Pines and... Two points at the buzzer.